It was a barn find, a 1955 miniature race car with torsion bar suspension, rack and pinion steering, disc brakes.
2013 Lola B07/90 track car. Price, $43,000. Location, Savannah, Georgia.
Okay, so master switch is here. Turn the ignition on here. Haven't started this in about a week, so let's see how this goes. Smell the race gas. Woo! Nice. Very cool race car. Fires right up every time.
A purpose-built Lola B07/90 track car engineered for serious circuit competition, offering the lightweight construction, aerodynamic efficiency, and race-proven performance that have made Lola chassis legendary in motorsports. Originally developed from a platform designed for high-level European racing competition, the B07/90 represents a true race car built without the compromises required for street use. Designed around a lightweight composite race chassis, the car features advanced aerodynamics intended to maximize downforce, cornering grip, and high-speed stability. Every element of the bodywork is focused on performance, allowing the car to carry impressive speed through corners while maintaining exceptional balance and driver feedback. Our dream is simple. We're hoping to reach just 1,000 subscribers. If you enjoy our content, please consider subscribing and supporting our journey. Your encouragement means more than you know and helps us continue creating videos. Every subscription is a small act of kindness that keeps our passion alive. Thank you sincerely. Ferrari 246 Dino-inspired Lafayette. Price, $7,000. Location, Oakland, New Jersey.
This is a quick sneak peek of what I've been working on the last few months. This is basically right now a 1958 Ferrari 246 Dino Formula One car. It was a barn find, a 1955 miniature race car with torsion bar suspension, rack and pinion steering, disc brakes, the whole bit, but it had to be completely redone. So I said, hey, why not make a Ferrari out of it? It's the exhaust coming out the back there, lube is for heat. And I had to make it bigger because I couldn't fit it in dumb thing, so I had to move the pedals, put a much bigger engine in it, new tires, new race slicks in the back, instruments, steering was redone, new seat. It's basically brand new. And welcome to 1958.
A remarkable hand-built recreation of the legendary Ferrari 246 Dino Formula One car, created from an original 1955 Lafayette quarter-midget race car and meticulously restored with exceptional attention to detail. Finished in classic Ferrari red, the miniature racer captures the spirit and appearance of the iconic late 1950s Grand Prix machines while retaining the engineering charm of its vintage quarter-midget origins. Power comes from a new 5.5 horsepower engine paired with a fresh clutch and braking system, providing reliable operation and authentic driving enjoyment. While compact in size, the car remains fully functional and is designed so that adults can comfortably drive it, making it a unique blend of collectible display piece and usable vintage racer. 1923 Ford T-Bucket 400 SBC Street Rod. Price, $28,000. Mileage, 12,345 miles. Location, Sydney, Ohio. A stunning 1923 Ford T-Bucket finished in bright red with a contrasting white interior, built to capture the raw spirit of traditional hot rodding while delivering modern reliability and performance. With its exposed engine, lightweight body, and unmistakable roadster profile, the car embodies the classic T-Bucket formula that has made these machines icons of the street rod world for generations. Power comes from a potent 400 cubic inch small block Chevrolet V8 equipped with dual 4-barrel carburetors. 1963 Volkswagen Beetle Custom. Pink Beetle Hatchback 2D. Price, $10,500. Mileage, 13,650 miles. Location, Milesburg, Pennsylvania. A truly unique 1963 Volkswagen Beetle Custom build that combines classic German engineering with bold coach-built styling, featuring a distinctive Rolls-Royce-inspired front-end conversion that transforms the iconic Beetle into an unforgettable showpiece. Finished in a vibrant orange exterior over a black interior, the car stands apart from ordinary custom VWs and is guaranteed to draw attention wherever it appears. Unlike traditional Beetle restorations, this creative build embraces individuality with its luxury-inspired front fascia, while retaining the compact proportions and charm that made the original Volkswagen famous. The custom design creates a fascinating blend of vintage economy car heritage and classic British luxury styling, resulting in a one-of-a-kind conversation starter. Power is delivered through a manual transmission. 1969 Volkswagen High-Top Camper. Price, $10,000. Mileage, 98,524 miles. Location, Ocala, Florida. A classic 1969 Volkswagen bay window high-top camper finished in blue with a white interior, offering the timeless charm and adventure-ready personality that have made vintage VW buses beloved around the world. Originally a Westphalia-based camper, this high-top conversion provides additional interior headroom and practicality, making it an ideal choice for road trips, camping excursions, and vintage vehicle gatherings. Featuring the iconic bay window design, the camper retains the unmistakable look that defined an era of freedom, travel, and outdoor exploration. A later model 1974 front nose section has been incorporated into the build, adding a unique touch while maintaining the vehicle's classic Volkswagen character. The tall roof design significantly increases interior space, creating a more comfortable environment for extended journeys and camping adventures. NASCAR-style go-kart. Price, $450. Mileage, approximately 2 hours on engine. Location, Kutztown, Pennsylvania. A fun and eye-catching NASCAR-style go-kart built for backyard driving and recreational use, featuring full stock car-inspired bodywork that gives it the appearance of a miniature race car. Designed to deliver an authentic oval track look, the kart is finished with removable vinyl graphics and logos, allowing the next owner to customize the appearance or create their own racing theme. Power comes from a Predator 224 cubic centimeters engine with only about 2 hours of run time, providing a strong and reliable foundation for the kart. The engine is capable of pushing the lightweight chassis to speeds approaching 35 miles per hour under the right conditions, offering plenty of excitement for recreational driving and casual racing activities. 1971 Volkswagen Sandrail Dune Buggy. Price, $13,700. Mileage, 1,700 miles. Location, Dundalk, Maryland. custom-built 1971 Volkswagen Sandrail dune buggy designed to deliver thrilling performance both on and off the pavement. Finished in bright red with a black interior, this East Coast-built Sandrail combines lightweight construction, aggressive styling, and impressive power, creating a machine that stands out from traditional dune buggies and offers an unforgettable driving experience. Power comes from a high-performance Ford SHO 3.0-liter V6 engine, producing approximately 275 horsepower, an extraordinary upgrade for a lightweight Sandrail chassis. The potent V6 delivers rapid acceleration, strong mid-range power, and a unique performance character rarely found in Volkswagen-based dune buggies. Paired with a 5-speed manual transmission, the setup provides complete driver engagement and precise control over the vehicle's impressive power output. Built around a lightweight tubular chassis, the Sandrail benefits from an exceptional power-to-weight ratio that makes every drive exciting. The open-air design enhances the feeling of speed and freedom, while the custom construction ensures the buggy remains both durable and capable. 1974 Dodge Power Wagon. Price: $18,000. Mileage: 50,000 miles. Location: Arab, Alabama. A rugged 1974 Dodge Power Wagon finished in matching red exterior and interior, showcasing the classic square-shouldered utility design that made these trucks legendary for durability and off-road capability. Built during an era when trucks were engineered for pure function and strength, this Power Wagon carries a strong vintage presence that appeals to collectors and enthusiasts of old-school American 4x4s. Power is delivered through a manual transmission paired with a proven drivetrain designed for torque and low-end pulling strength. The engine has received a new carburetor, helping improve reliability, throttle response, and overall drivability. Combined with its simple mechanical setup, the truck maintains the straightforward, easy-to-service character that defines classic Dodge utility vehicles.